오늘은 샤브샤브입니다. 샤브샤브는 탄수화물이 거의 포함되어 있지 않고 무기질과 식이섬유가 풍부한 채소가 주를 이루기 때문에 다이어트에 정말 좋습니다. 거기에 건강에 좋은 다시마까지 들어간다면 더 말할 것도 없겠죠. 먼저 다시마는 잘 씻어서 소금기를 제거해줍니다. 그 위에 배추와 깻잎, 한우 솔깃살과 청경채를 겹겹이 쌓아 올려줍니다. 그리고 나서 돌돌 잘 말아주면 다시마 보쌈이 완성됩니다.
I remember when I first saw your face and how everything changed that day. I remember trying hard to
샤브샤브 육수 내기 어렵다고요?
but I couldn't and I didn't know why.
우리에겐
I
언제나
remember when I
치트키가
ran so
있습니다.
far, like speeding trains in the passenger car. And I remember that you still came back for me. I tried to run and hide, but you were by my side. I can remember thinking you were crazy love, but I don't mind. You wouldn't let me go. You let me take it slow, and now my heart is changing. I've been thinking, baby, I wanna love you better. I wanna love you better. I wanna love you better than before. I wanna love you better. I wanna love you better. I wanna love you better than before.
오늘도 시청해주셔서
I remember when you first said hello.
감사-
I was blind and I didn't know. I remember that your love lit up the
감사합니다.
dark, but I couldn't seem to find that spark. I remember when you gave it your all, climbing walls that I wouldn't let fall. And I remember when they did, you stuck around. I tried to run and hide, but you were by my